Hey guys, Andrew with Painless here, coming to you from my messy garage as we're working through this COVID-19 pandemic. What I wanted to do today was highlight our LS line and kind of what you can expect when you order one of these. So right here next to me I have one of our Gen 3 pickup drive-by-wire harnesses, and it's part number 60221. So with these harnesses you get a dedicated fuse block, all high-quality TXL wire, dedicated fuel pump relay, and then all new connectors and terminals. And the big thing is every single one of these before they leave our factory here in Fort Worth, Texas, they're tested. So we know everything's pinned out correctly, we know everything's exactly how it needs to be. For more detail on the testing process, go ahead and check in the bio, and I'll go ahead and link the video that goes into detail on that. As you see, it's really easy to lay everything out and do a super clean install with one of our LS swap harnesses. One thing we offer is our power braid and classic braid wire looms. They're a split loom, so they're super easy to install, especially on a harness that's pre-terminated like one of our LS swap ones. But it gives you great heat resistance, chemical resistance, and really cleans everything up to where you don't see the bulk of those wires when you're doing one of these LS swaps. These harnesses are super simple to hook up. Basically just give it battery power, key on power from your ignition switch, run your fuel pump wire that we provide, and then ground it on the back of the heads with the provided ground wires. All of our harnesses will support manual or automatic transmissions, and we offer these from Gen 3, Gen 4 truck motors, mechanical throttle, drive-by-wire, LS1, LS3, and more. You can find all the applications on our website at www.painlessperformance.com. If you have any other questions, you can always reach our tech line at 1-800-423-9696. Thanks.